Tim, my friend, how do you go when you stare at an almost empty fridge? Do you feel inspired or do you feel flat and like there's nothing to work with?
I kind of like the challenge of just coming up with a creation or a meal with what you've only got on hand.
Yeah.
You don't want to throw it in the bin.
Nah.
But you could have those things in the crisper that are at the end of their lives, but they're okay to cook with.
Yes.
It's kind of like your own little mystery box at home.
Yeah. I love pumpkin soup pancakes. It's a really cool way to use up your leftover pumpkin soup.
I love that. I've never made pumpkin soup pancakes before. It's a new one.
Fun. Yeah.
And I think a lot of people out there, pumpkin soup pancakes, but I'm excited to see them come together.
Yeah, so I've got a couple of eggs in there with some milk. And then we've got a lovely thick pumpkin soup. If it was slightly thinner, you might want to bump up a little bit more extra flour.
Oh, yeah.
Just to make sure the pumpkin pancake batter holds together. So if you can pass me the self-raising flour.
Yep.
We're going to go 1.5 cups of the flour.
Nice.
Get that in there.
I think it's just a creative way of using up leftovers, and we're talking about low-waste cooking today.
Yeah.
And that's a really integral part, embracing your leftovers, because they're fine for a few days.
Yes.
And you can almost transform the leftovers into something else, and that's what you're doing today.
Yeah.
Because often my kids, if I serve them the same thing 2 or 3 days in a row, they're going to be
Over
like,
it.
Dad, I'm over this. I want something different.
That's it.
But putting a different spin on something
Yes.
makes it new again. And we're wasting up to 7.7 million meals in Australia every day.
That's massive.
Australian households.
Yeah. So that's a good consistency for our pancakes.
Looks really good.
We're going to fire up our fry pans, but not before we get a nice wedge of halloumi to put in there too.
Ooh,
Oh,
now we're
nice.
talking, yeah.
So I'm pretty generous with my halloumi. I think it's such an excellent cheese to keep on hand in the fridge. Keeps well, makes everyone happy.
Yeah. I love grilled halloumi. It's just got such a great flavour. The squeaky cheese, isn't it?
It is the squeaky cheese, yeah, you're right. So I've gone down the middle because I want to create like some pretty decent wedges of halloumi to be frying off here.
Lovely.
All right, we're going to fire up the stove. Need about a medium heat for our pancakes. And we'll get 3 into the pan. Go a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to cook them in. All right, we're good to go. So about 1/3 cup of your pancake batter into the pan. That'll do. Look, I think my first one's gone okay.
That looks good.
Yeah, cool. No pressure, Jack, no pressure. So we're gonna let those cook for a few minutes. About 3 minutes on one side and 1 to 2 minutes on the other. I'm not sure about you, but when I look at a pan full of halloumi like this, I kind of just want to drizzle it with copious amounts of honey and then lemon and then throw some thyme in and serve it up.
Yum.
But we have the beautiful pumpkin pancakes.
I can't take my eyes off these pancakes.
We've got a good combo here.
No first pancake curse with you, Jack.
Oh, look, I think I got lucky.
Yeah.
I really do think I got lucky. Let's plate them up.
And that little tinge of the orange from the pumpkin soup.
Beautiful, isn't
really
it?
Really cool.
Yeah. Look at these. These are ginormous.
They look amazing. They don't
I'm
look...
like, serves 3 to 4, but that's like a giant size meal. Anyway, let's get some halloumi in there. Oh, this looks so good. I'll get it over the top, I think, of the pancakes like so. I'm going to plate this like we're serving both of us. Because why not?
We can share.
Yeah. I know you had your eyes on it all to yourself, but not today. Tim's made a beautiful watercress and herb salad.
Yeah, so it was just watercress, dill, parsley, and then I just hit it with a bit of salt and pepper and some good quality olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. That's it.
Getting plenty of greens on this plate.
Nom.
I like the bitterness of watercress too. You know, you've got to get
Really
those
nice.
lovely bitter flavours in. Some lemon that will squeeze all over the top. And we're going to go a dollop. What do you think? You're like the king of plating, so what do we reckon for our pancakes?
I'm very impressed.
Talk me through it. We're
I
going to
mean, this looks like your trendy cafe on a Sunday morning and they'd charge you $30 for it.
go salt, pepper.
Yeah, pepper, salt.
And look, I've only put a
Wow.
couple of dollops of tomato chutney on there, but I would definitely be getting a lot more on if it's my plate order myself. For me, this looks like something that has come out of a cafe, but
It
we've
does.
pulled ingredients from the fridge, we've reduced the waste. Pretty good looking low waste plate.
I think it's fantastic. From pumpkin soup to this, wow.